Hello and good evening for this special meeting, special broadcast regarding the 13th London Kurdish Film Festival of 2022, which begins on Friday. It's come already. I mean, I've just been so incredibly excited about this, and I bought my festival pass for the whole week. So I'm taking 1 week off work. We have the events in Iran, in Rojhelat, with Gina, who died at the hands of the Iranian regime, and the Kurdish women from Rojava, inspiring that slogan Jin Jian Azadi, which echoes around Rojhelat. So this festival comes at such an incredibly important time for people who want to find out about the Kurdish issue. And so I'm really very happy and honored to have been asked to sort of introduce the London Kurdish Film Festival Committee, who are here tonight to tell us all about what we can expect from this now legendary annual film festival, which showcases Kurdish films. So first of all, Pervin, can you tell us how the whole thing is going to kick off? It's beginning on Friday, isn't it?
Yes. Hi, Mark. Thank you for having us. So the festival starts on 23rd of September, which is like less than 48 hours. So we will start with the gala reception and opening films. So the program is going to flow by by starting opening the doors at 5:30 p.m. with the ticket control and registration. So if you have already purchased your ticket, so you just need to show your email or your confirmations, and then just go into the gala reception area. If you haven't purchased your tickets, which I actually suggest you to purchase as soon as you can, to be disappointed, to away from disappointment. So once you come into the gala reception, you will have ticket store there. So you can purchase your tickets over there, and you can pay by card or cash as well. After that, after the registration and ticket control, you will going into the gala reception area that you can have some snacks, drinks, and enjoy your time with meeting with other people, other guests, who is Londoner or who's gonna come outside of London. And you will have a moment to meet with the filmmakers, with the filmmakers, the directors, and producers, even actors as well. The next things will be to have some speech and introduction, giving introduction to the guests, like what we are going to cover throughout the festival, what films going to be showing, and other relevant information that you will find out. And we will have also guests to speak at the gala. So the next thing is going to be actually very excited to say that we have special guest, who is Eleanor, going to sing for us. And another exciting news that she's gonna have her first Kurdish album by next year. After the performance, we will have opening film of Mano Khalil, which is called The Neighbors. Will be screened by the following of Q&A, and you will have opportunity to ask all your questions and also share your ideas, opinions with the director, with the Mano Khalil.
Okay, Pervin, thank you very much indeed. So Kali, you're going to tell us how we can actually get tickets, and how people can get tickets, where they can get tickets, and some other information, I believe.
Yes, absolutely. So there's A few key takeaways. The bulk of our information is on our website at www.lkff.co.uk.
Okay.
Pretty straightforward. It will be the first link that appears on your search engine. Our programme booklet, as well as our festival booklet, is available on the website for everyone to view. The festival is open to absolutely everyone, from Kurds and non-Kurds alike, and we actually welcome our friends from our neighbouring communities to join us this year. Now, the key information is that with our tickets this year, they are available online and offline. However, we do recommend that tickets are purchased online in advance, just to avoid disappointment at the festival venues. Now, we have tried to make the tickets for LKFF as affordable as possible for our guests, especially during the period that we're going through at the moment. So we do have a range of tickets available to get the most out of your money at the festival.
Okay.
So we do have our general admission tickets, which are £15 per person, and that's per film viewing. We have our very popular gala tickets that are available and quickly selling out at £30. So that's our opening ceremony that Pervin kindly elaborated on for us. And we have £10 for our after party tickets, where you get to network and mingle with all your favourite directors and our special guests that have attended from various places. And the cherry on the top is that for £80 you can purchase a festival pass to enjoy any and all films from post gala day onwards. And again, this is a ticket that is selling out incredibly fast, so we do recommend purchasing that online or contacting us if you do have any queries regarding that. We do also have some student discounts available. However, we do require you to either access us through our website or contact us through social media to see when and where these are applied.
Okay.
The festival itself, the way the festival is designed, it is made up of incredibly passionate Kurdish film lovers that want to ensure that Kurdish cinema continues to thrive. We are a volunteer organised festival, and each year our team put in a lot of hard work to create the memorable festival that we have and that we host for our guests and for our audiences to enjoy. So we do, a portion of our funds, we do rely on receiving donations and sponsors from our friends and partners. So we do welcome any donations at the door or online through our website to continue supporting the festival. This year we have offered another perk of attending the festival. For a £5 annual membership, you can receive 20% off any and all tickets that you purchase through ourselves, through the website and at the door. Again, please refer back to our website and our social media channels or contact us directly to see how that applies with the student discounts. But that offer is there in order for you to receive that discount. So yeah, that's the key takeaways.
Wonderful. Kelly, thank you very much. So Bilal, you're going to, I believe, tell us who is going to be at this year's film festival. Can you give us a little bit of information about who's going to be there? You're on mute, Bilal. Mute. Yeah.
Apologies. Yes, yeah, of course. So we are starting on Friday, which is opening gala for Neighbor, and Mano Khalil, the film director from Kamushlo, and Ismail Zagros from North Kurdistan, the actor, is attending to gala, and they will answer your questions. And the next one will be Dance of Ali and Zin on Saturday. Again, this is in View Cinema. This film started in Rojalat and then carried on in North Kurdistan. And Mehmet El Konar will be there, the director, and also Mariam Babani will be there, the actress. She will answer your questions. And on Sunday, we have Halime Ilter and Anna Bofarol. Anna Bofarol is the director, and Halime Ilter is the actor on the movie, and they will answer your questions. The next thing is the only horror drama film, which is Zalava. Arsalan Amiri is coming from all the way from Rojhelat, East Kurdistan, and he'll be joining Q&A session. So the next day, on Monday, we have Afat Baz, the producer of the Haskif. This is shot in North Kurdistan, and Afat Baz is himself also from North Kurdistan. And the next one, again, on Tuesday in Rio Cinema, Afat Baz will be attending Heza, which was shot in Rojava, and he will be attending the Q&A again. On Wednesday evening, we have Serhat Hulaku, and he will be attending to Q&A on Rio Cinema after the screening at 8:30. The final, Antonia Kilian from Germany. Her documentary, The Other Side of the River, 6 o'clock at Rio Cinema. And the final one would be Zahawi Sanjawi, The Closing Ceremony, Ima's childhood movie. And he will be attending to the Q&A and then answering your questions. Apart from that, we have Veysi Altay joining. He's the jury member. And I think that's it. If I missed anything, I'll have a look at it and I'll let you know.
Okay, Bilal, thank you very much. And I think the thing that you've been saying to me before we started this, and Kali and Pervin have already said, is to avoid disappointment, really try to book your tickets as soon as possible, because it's obviously lots of, all the people who are going to be attending those. You've got such a big lineup of people, and it's going to be obviously a very popular festival this year. So Sehriban, you're going to give us a flavor about the actual films that we're looking forward to see. Can you give us a bit of a flavor about the type of films and which parts of Kurdistan they're from this year?
So thank you very much, Mark. I'm really pleased to announce that we have lots of films representing 4 parts of Kurdistan, as well as the diaspora. So the program, it's been actually 8 months that we've been working on this program. So we try to accommodate female directors, as well as, to present of the animations. So all the categories are in the program. So in total, we are going to showcase 31 films. So this is our 13th edition. So it's been 21 years that LKFF is providing this platform for you to watch Kurdish films. So when we talk about Kurdish films, we are not only talking about Kurdish films that are made by Kurdish filmmakers, we are talking about non-Kurds as well. So in the program, as a little bit later, I'll talk about, which directors will be with us, with which films. So I'm inviting everybody, not only Kurds, all Londoners, all UK, to come and enjoy this fantastic Kurdish cinema. So it is, it will be introducing, what the Kurdish culture is, the problems that they are facing, and also it will talk about their life and cinema as well. So we do have 31 films, and 8 of them are feature fictions and 7 are documentary feature length. And we have 16 short films and 8 short fictions, 3 short animations. This is on the fiction category. And also we have 5 short documentaries. So we have 3 venues for you. So we start with the View Cinema, which is in Wood Green. So it's a great location, easy access. So I want to see you all there, so to be with us and watch and enjoy this fantastic event. And after 4 days, we will move on to Rio Cinema, which is in Stoke Nivington. I'm sure all Londoners are very familiar with these locations. And lastly, the last day, we will be at Prince Charles in central London. So with the gala film is going to be opening gala film by Manu Khalil, Neighbours. So as Bilal said, the director will be with us. So the closing gala film is Ima's Childhood. It's by director Zahavi Sanjavi. This is a feature documentary. So we start with the feature fiction and end with the feature documentary. And the other documentaries that I would like you to come and see is The Dance of Ali and Zin. This is by Ali Konar from North Kurdistan. 09, this is a feature fiction by Bakhtiyar Fatah. Sinjar by non-Kurdish director Anna Bofaru. And Brothers Keeper by Ferit Karahan from North Kurdistan. Blackberry Season as well from North Kurdistan, and the director is Hashim Aydemir. The Exam is by Shavkat Amin Korki, and Zalava by Arsalan Amiri. So the documentary feature-length films are Letters from Shengal by Dersim Zeravan, Köy, meaningly village in English, is by Serpil Turhan. Heskif is by Elif Yiğit. This is about demolition of Heskif. It's a place that, worldwide known, but it's been demolished. And Mother Tongue is by Sarkef Miskari. And lastly, it's Heza by Derya Deniz. This is about kidnapping Yazidi women. As you see, the locations of the films are for part of Kurdistan as well as the Europe. And we have female presence, so we try to accommodate, female film directors, actresses. So we will have Q&As after the film screenings, and then you will have a chance to have a chat even after or before the film. So on weekdays, we have 1 screening. On weekends, we have 3 screenings at View Cinema. So I would like to see you all there. We have a carpet, like Kurdish carpet area at the reception area for you to come and enjoy the presence of the Kurdish filmmakers, the directors, the actresses, and please come and enjoy the parties and panels that later on my colleagues will talk about. So I would like to see you all there. Thank you.
Shehriban, thank you so much for telling us about that. So Shler, you are going to tell us, and we hope, because we have some little noise issue on your phone, but you're going to tell us about the events that are going to be taking place at the London Kurdish Film Festival, as well as the films. There are some events, aren't there?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, lovely people. We have quite a few exciting events going on in this festival. The first event is a panel on Kurdish cinema, history and challenges. Leading filmmakers like Shaukat Amin Korki, Manu Khalil, Mehmet Ali Konar, and scholar Engin Sostem will be discussing the establishment of Kurdish cinema in transnational space and Kurdish cinema as a way of addressing social and political problems. Okay. This event is going to be moderated by Kava Abbasian, a doctor, an academician at university. And this event is taking place at View Cinema on Saturday, the 24th of September, apparently, between 12 and 2 o'clock. It's free of charge, and it's a great event. We would love to see as many people as possible there. The second event is a workshop, Get Creative with Your Phone. It's led by a young artist, Sonia Ahmed, who is the same person who painted our beautiful poster for this 13th edition. As you may be able to see here.
Wow. Yeah. Amazing. Beautiful.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
for everybody. It's that event is gonna take place on Sunday, the 25th, around 1 o'clock.
Okay.
It's online. You can do it from the comfort of your home on your phone, and it's for everybody. The
Fantastic.
third event, we have another strong panel. It's to reflect on the rising prominence of Kurdish women in recent years. We are presenting a panel on reclaiming life women in Kurdish cinema. The panelists are the actress, the well-known Kurdish actress Halima Alter, and the German director who made the film The Other Side of the River in Rojava, Antonia Killen, the German director, and the writer-director, Kurdish writer and director, Mizgen Arsalan. This panel is moderated by another academician and a journalist, Siray Genç. It's gonna take place at Halkavi Center in Dalston, and it is on the 28th, which is Wednesday, the 28th of September at 6 o'clock, followed by screening of films. This event is a free event, so it's a great event to attend as well. Another event we have is the remembering of our beloved Mehmet Aksoy, who on the 27th, on the 26th actually, we are going, which is the day who he was killed by the terrorist group of ISIS in Rojava, in Raqqa actually, in Syria, while he was documenting the war there. He was killed unjustly, and on that day, on the 26th September 2017. So we're gonna start by going to the cemetery to visit him there at 11 o'clock, and then on the 27th of September at 8:30 in Rio Cinema, we're gonna remember our lovely Memo by showing a film that was made by Memo's friends. And our another event, which is a very fun event, it's the LKFF after party, which is near Rio Cinema on the 29th at 9 o'clock in Earth Kitchen Cafe. Everybody's welcome. We have Jaff and Zorna by Sarhado, and another musician. We are ready for Govan to almost end the festival. It's gonna be a very energetic night. We hope to see a lot of people, and we finally end on the 30th of September on Friday. We finally gonna end after Imad's childhood screening with the award ceremony.
Shler, you had a big problem just with your crackling of your phone, but to be honest, I think if you could just perhaps put it on mute, Shler, could you put that wonderful? Yeah, that was sorry. So thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, there was, I think we managed to hear everything that you said, and we heard all about the event. So, but it was, apologies to our viewers and listeners for the technical sound on Shler's phone there. But thank you so much for giving us that information. Okay, so moving on then to Ferhan. Ferhan Sterk, you're going to give us a kind of a roundup. You're going to, with the aim and the theme of the festival. And the awards that are going to be given, and just in general summary. I mean, I know you guys have been working so hard all year. All of you, before we press record, you were yawning, and you know, and you're all obviously so exhausted and so tired. You put so much work into this festival. So Ferhan, give us a roundup of the whole festival.
I mean, I always say, for us, when the festival starts, for us the festival finish. So I mean, from the time that we speak, for us, we prepared everything. We already leave the festival. We already done the festival as a KFF crew, and I hope you're all going to join. You're all going to join and enjoy this special program. As all my friends, all my colleagues and Havas have explained all the details, I think you can tell that this is full of events and a lot of activities and connections and the themes that is happening in this festival, as always. In terms of the theme, the festival again is taking place at the very special time of Kurdish question. You know, there's always been special moments and the time when the festival takes place. I can't remember any moment where festival didn't just happen without, you know, being in a very politically intense moments. And we just witnessed another another killing of Kurdish women by the hands of Iranian regime. Jina Mahsen Amini. It touched us. It just gave us another pain. And there's an uprising happening in all around Iran. These became not just this is not just a Kurdish issue now. This is the whole probably whole Iranian. It became a whole Iranian issue that they have to deal. But we are aware of what's going on in Kurdistan, and when we organize and when we come together to bring all the films together, we trying to connect with the political atmosphere and trying to understand what's happening. So cinema, and Kurdish cinema especially, plays a part in delivering that important message to the community, because the film carries that meaning of that time, of that moment. And the films that we are showing has enormous amount of story richness from all around the Kurdistan, personal, cultural, socio-political. It's representing the whole Kurdish nation. And London Kurdish Film Festival is one of the best place to see what the Kurdistan look like. If you want to understand where we are, how we are, and who we are, come to the cinema and watch the film and trying to identify yourself, trying to find yourself. I think this is important. So the theme this year is just focus on in search of hope, and for us, hope is the only driving mood to move forward. And as a festival, we're going to keep moving, and we're going to search for the hope, and we're going to search the meaning of a life. And this is obviously despite of what's happening and what's going on all around us. We are going to continue to search hope. This is the kind of general things that I can say, but I invite everyone to join, be with us, come and watch the film.
Amazing. And as somebody said, it's this year it's at 3 different venues. I think you said, Shehriban, it's first of all, for the first 4 days, it's at the View Cinema up in Wood Green. And then it's the next 3 days, it's at the Rio Cinema. And then for your final finale, and actually there's an award ceremony, isn't there, Ferhan? And that's going to be in Leicester Square this year. So are you gonna have a red carpet out for the?
Well, this time Leicester Square will not have a red carpet, unfortunately.
Oh.
I don't know, Kurdish film festival will have the culture, but we will close, yes, in the center of London. We want to, we wanted our audience to feel the atmosphere of, being in the city, and Prince Charles was the best place to do that. And hopefully we are going to be, saying, just ending the festival in a special moment. Is a kind of Victorian style of a cinema, very traditional, and we're going to give it awards. 7 awards. Shall I give it the name?
Yes, please do. Yeah,
we actually have the answers for all the awards, but the awards we're giving, as tradition of LKFF, is the best feature film on the name of Roja Zer, and the best short film on the name of Yılmaz Güney, and the best documentary on the name of Mehmet Aksoy, and Tahir Karimi Best Short Documentary Award, and LKFF Honorary Award is our tradition. I think is the 3rd one we're giving, and we are also choosing the Best Actress and Best Actor. This is kind of a general awards that every festival choose and delivers. We hope to extend and expand on these awards and recognize every skills and talent in the Kurdish cinema, like every other film industry. And because there are talent now is improving. There are new actors, from 6 years to 60 years. You will see different characters, bringing richness to the film. Yes, these are the awards, and we are excited to deliver it at Prince Charles on the 30th of September.
Amazing. So everybody, grab your tickets, get the week pass, and come to all the events. We all need this. I mean, this year for me is like charging my batteries, I think for Kurdish people generally as well, it's like a energizing week, that you can just, submerge yourself in Kurdish film, Kurdish culture. And it's such an incredible event that I love this time of year. And I personally have taken the whole week off, and coming on the anniversary of my very dear friend Memo, I'm really looking forward to that day as well, because of course Mehmet was a very dear friend of the London Kurdish Film Festival. And so thank you to everybody for all your incredibly hard work and bringing the festival together for this year. And I'm sure you would join me with urging people to get their book early, as you say, to avoid disappointment, attend the festival, engage with the directors, engage with the organizers, and we're just going to have a lovely fun time.
Yeah, we are all on all social medias, Mark. So we have, lots of materials that we shared with the audience. If they want to get the flavor of this festival, they can check, online. There are festival trailers, there are programming trailers, there are, videos from the filmmakers. So there are lots of stuff that they can check, and also the website as well. And we have our booklets, and leaflets everywhere. And we do like them to share with everybody, their own network. And then, word of mouth is very important as well. I want to see all the youngers as well, the students from the universities. I think they are very much interested in Kurdish culture, Kurdish cinema. So London is known as a very, cultural and cosmopolitan city. So we want everybody from UK to come over here. We really spend lots of time to bring all these filmmakers here. If you know from the news, you will see that, it's hard to get visas, even from, Turkey, Iran.
And we managed to get some of those guests, coming over.
We are still waiting, but you have to understand that it's not easy to bring everything together.
Of course,
it's a fantastic city. So don't miss out this lovely event. Come and enjoy. Be with us for 8 days. Thank you.
Herbici.
Herbici.
Okay, thank you everybody again. If anybody wants to say one, you look like you want to say one last word, Farhan.
Just would like to thank to you, Mark. you are one of the dear supporter of LKFF for many years, and supporting the cause of Kurdish question, and currently working for the Medya News. Thank you for your hard work and supporting LKFF.
It's my honor. Thank you very much for inviting me, Farhan, and thank you to everybody for their hard work. And so to people who are watching this, head over now to the London Kurdish Film Festival website at www.lkff.com. Yeah. .co.
.com.uk.
You'll find it anyway. Okay. See you all at the festival.
All right. See you at the festival.
Bye. Thank you.
See you at the festival, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.